Assalamu alaikum. This is Library Z from English department. Here we are at Jinnah University Exhibition Hall where the researches and the research presentation is going on. There's a 5th annual research poster presentation where student has done immense work and timeless work on their researches, on their thesis, and now they are presenting their booths, their research through their booths and through their different talented things. First of all, welcome to Jinnah University English Department, and I just want to ask, what were your overall experience and impression of event and organization?
Well, I have been coming to Jinnah University to observe their display of research projects. Recently, I think this is the second time I've visited, and I've been impressed as always with the quality of research which students have produced. The topics that they have selected and the data collection and analysis that they've done, it shows the hard work they've put in, and the quality of research is commendable. And I would also like to appreciate their supervisors, the teachers who have guided them and who have put in their effort as well into the projects. So the research projects that I've observed today are relevant. They are dealing with the current issues in the field of linguistics and literature. They have analyzed key themes in the use of language in society. Critical discourse analysis projects I've looked at the projects related to teaching of language through effective modern techniques. I've looked at the Gen Z's preferences for learning. So all the projects which I've looked at have topics which resonate with the current issues in the field, and I would like to appreciate the students' hard work and teachers' efforts for completing these research projects. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Let's move forward to other students and to booths of the students who have worked tirelessly and effortlessly to showcase their researches, their talent and everything.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. So could you please explain us about your research?
So my research touches the subject of diaspora. I have worked on a diasporic novel, Moth Smoke, written by Mohsen Hamid in the year 2001. And basically my research works on the perspectives of the readers about this novel, what they feel and what are their opinions.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Fatma Javed.
Yes, Fatma. So how's everything going?
Everything is going very good, very amazing. The students have put 110% of their efforts and everything is going very smoothly.
That's really great. Could you please explain a little bit about your research?
So my research is on the novels of Khalid Hosseini, as you can see from this, and I research on his 2 novels, The Kite Runner and A Thousand Planet Suns. I research on the theme of companionship, how he portrayed the friendships between the main characters and how their friendship is influenced by the social stereotypes of the culture.
Wow, that's a really interesting subject and topic.
My topic is the impact of storytelling on preschoolers. It's a comparative study about digital storytelling and traditional storytelling.
Hi, Aisha.
How are you?
I'm good. So how's your event going?
Very nice and very good, and I have experienced all the things are very nice, and the researchers have done the researches amazingly.
That's really great. So what's your points or opinion about all the things?
My point and opinion about all the things are that if we work hard and do the things correctly and effectively, so in our work, the more greatness and more effectiveness could come.
Okay, that's really great. Thank you so much, Aisha, for your points. Here we have another external with us. So let's ask what her points and what's her opinion about the event and everything. Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, this is Hoor Jameel and I am currently working as the head of Foundation English Department at Denning Law School.
So, ma'am, I just wanted to ask, what were your overall impression of the event?
I think that the event is absolutely incredible, and I really like the topics of most of the students, and the students are supremely confident. They are incredibly talented, and their topics are really innovative, and their topics are very latest, which is really surprising because most of the research that we have in the English language domain, that is, we kind of keep repeating and keep taking the topics that have already been researched in the Western context. But here I am so surprised, and I'm really glad to know that the students have worked on very latest topics, very innovative topics. So I've seen topics that are related to digital media, Facebook, Instagram. There are even research studies related to BTS, right? So that's so amazing. There are research studies related to Japanese anime. So incredible, like absolutely amazing.
So we can say that the event meet your expectations, right?
Oh, it's like, much above my expectations.
That's really, thank you so much for your point. The students here decorated their booths according to their themes, according to their thesis projects. They have put their much efforts in each and everything, in their researches, in their decorating their booths and everything. So let's take some pointers from the students as well. Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Maria.
Hey Maria, and how's everything going?
Everything going so far so good, and we are experiencing different externals, and the questions are very overwhelming, as well as they are very cooperative with us, and they are listening to whole our research, and they have much patience. It's good.
Miss, I have a question for you. That what impact do you think the event will have on our institute or department?
Jinnah University for Women is the first women university in Pakistan, and it is showing the empowered and the enthusiasm of young women and young girls over here. So English department is showcasing the talent and innovation in the field of English language and literature. Basically, English language and literature and research in English language and literature is always rewarding in Pakistan. And girls, they are showcasing their enthusiasm, their innovation and creative ideas, which is the need, because English in Pakistan is second language. We are non-native speakers of English language. That is why it is very important to work hard and research in the development of this and the progress of English language, because it is an international language.
Miss, I just want to ask, how does this even align with our department?
Well, if I would talk about research is something very important when it comes to bringing changes, innovations within our society, contributing to different fields. And I must say that I'm proud of my students as well, that they have worked so hard, and every topic you can see that it is rich, it is full of different things. And I'm happy to see that my students, my presenters, my researchers, they are contributing to the society via different ways. So I think that this is something amazing.
And Miss, what are your overall impression of this event, of the student, the researching, the organizing and everything?
Well, first of all, when it comes to the esteemed evaluators, I must say I'm really thankful to them that they have given us their time, and the feedback is valuable for us. And then obviously my volunteers, my students who have organized different things, who are managing different things, I must say thank you so much. I'm proud of you, and obviously my faculty members, my team.
Thank you so much, Miss. Thank you so much.
My overall impression, it takes a lot to create a event like this, and you can say that it's teamwork, it's a collective teamwork of the department, students, participants, faculty and the evaluators. Again, we are very thankful to all of them that they collectively worked to make it a successful event.
I am here to present my final research project, and the topic of my research is utilizing the linguistic humor. I have chosen the story of greatest American literature humorist named Mark Twain's story. Whenever we see the comedy in social media memes, we usually laugh, but we don't know what are the linguistic techniques that make us laugh. So I have worked on language. Yeah.
So as you see, the many booths and researches of the students, they have done immensely job and a great job in their researches with the innovative topics, innovative ideas. That's a wrap up from our department, from us. So we'll see you at the next event. Thank you so much.